Oh, good morning and welcome to our Airstream here at AutoCamp. We're here in the Catskills. This is our last day, unfortunately. Yeah, come on in, we'll show you around. This is the main cab and super spacious. We got pretty tall ceilings. So this is the main living area. Got a nice big beautiful couch. I think it's a futon, so you could probably sleep another at least 2 people on here, or maybe another person or some kids. Nice little living area. You got a big old heavy table here. You got a roller here in case you need to roll out those muscles from the hardcore hike that you did. We didn't do a hardcore hike. This book, which has helped me along the way so much. Couldn't have done it without this book here at the luxurious AutoCamp. This is the Galley, very spacious as well. Has everything you need. You have all your forks and knives. You have a wine key, scissors, bottle opener. There's a teapot here. Nice big sink. Comes with soap. Up here comes with your beautiful plates and bowls, coffee mugs. One thing I wanted to show you too was these windows in here are so cool. So you got your locks here, and then you just push out like this, out and up, and then they can lock in like this. So you can go up further, which is awesome. You get a nice cross breeze. These are awesome. These shades come down, lock into there. Come on, look at that design.
That's nice.
That's pretty cool. We have over here a bunch of storage, including, this is where they have the fridge. You got a little mini fridge. And then up here is the microwave, and also your cast iron. You got pots and pans and all that stuff. Yeah, so you got a ton of space in here. I didn't even see these, so you can have, pull those out for dinner and stuff. Put your coats in here. So it is cool. There's a door here to the bedroom. So yeah, at night it was nice to have closed so we could be super cozy in there, or if you had another person staying in here. So come on into the bedroom. We have, it's very comfortable. This bed here is, I think, a full, so it's a little small, but it was very comfortable. The sheets are like really nice. Soft blanket for the chilly weather. In here you have these 2 big storage units for your bags and kind of anything else, shoes or anything. I mean, not huge, but enough space. You can walk around the bed, which I feel like in some of these kind of RV situations, you don't always get. So it's, I mean, plenty of room over here. And you got a little nightstand, light turns on and off. These open up as well, so you can get more air or light. What's also cool is on each side, you have 2 USB ports for charging and 2 regular plugs on the side. Oh yeah, what's also cool is, I'll show you this in a second. There is a Bluetooth receiver here in the cab, which goes throughout the whole thing. So there's actually speakers in the bedroom and in the living room. Didn't open this up either, but
Skylight.
you got a skylight here. Some other like technical stuff for the Airstream. You have AC and heat. Here's the kind of controller here. So yeah, the other cool thing over here is you have a Bluetooth receiver, and you just hook up your phone and you can play your music. Now into the bathroom. Super spacious bathroom. Huge sink here. The water pressure is like very good, and it also gets hot quickly. You got a mirror over here. The toilet is very nice. Like, it's like regular plumbing. There's no, you know, this isn't like RV life where it's like your poop just goes a foot that way and then stays there and smells. And then look at this space. I mean, this shower is enormous. You have a nice big shower head, really good soaps. I took a shower this morning, and I will say the pressure is not as strong as you would get in like a hotel room or your house, but it works. Again, the temperature is excellent, gets hot super quick. It's also a little low, and I don't think it goes up any further. So if you're like any taller than me, you're gonna be doing a little bit of this.
Sliding door with a full-length mirror, which is nice. I was not expecting a mirror.
I didn't even see that before.
You wouldn't. Girls always find the mirror.
You have a ton of storage in here.
There's a blow dryer.
And a blow dryer. So yeah, that's the inside of the cab. Again, really spacious, really nice, really luxurious. Definite glamping. This is not your regular camping experience. Yeah, let's go outside. You have your own patio here, big table, benches, and then you have a solo stove here. And you can also grill on that. Yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed. Highly suggest coming to check out AutoCamp. We're here in the Catskills, but they have a bunch of other locations, including Zion, including Sequoia, Yosemite, Cape Cod. I think there's a new one coming to Texas. So they're all over the country. Check them out and enjoy.